And that's a whole lot of love, ain't trying to waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it.
Hey Faith Gang, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the Faith Gang. And if you're not new, hey Faith Gang, I'm glad you all came back to watch my video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I unravel my flat twist. If you guys watched my previous video, you know that my sister recently gave me my first flat twist. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I take it out today. And if you guys would like to see how my results turned out, continue watching. Before I actually start unraveling my flat twist, I'm going to start by applying the Pretty Strands hair oil all throughout my hair so that my hair can be nice and coated with oil, so that my hair can be nice and shiny, and so that I can prevent frizz when I take the flat twist down. I also like to make sure that I coat each twist with oil so that my hair can be nice and moisturized all over. After I applied the oil all throughout my hair, I separated the flat twist just like I would do for a normal 2-strand twist. And once you get closer to the scalp, it's actually easier to separate the flat twist because since you use smaller sections at the beginning, it's almost like you don't even have to separate your hair. You just unravel it, and once you unravel the twist closer to the actual edges, it actually comes loose itself. You just have to be careful while you're working to get the twist to come loose. And I'm actually going to show you guys with this twist a little closer up version of how you take down the flat twist once you get to the scalp. So as you guys can see right here, I'm separating the flat twist exactly where it separates naturally. Since my sister flat twisted my hair, she used smaller sections. So as you guys can see, those smaller sections are naturally separated, and it makes it easier for me to take down a flat twist. And I actually did experience some snags. I actually wore it as a protective style, so I think that was the cause of some of the pieces snagging. I also made sure that when I got closer to taking down the flat twist near my edges, I made sure that I went slower throughout my hair so that I wouldn't have snags. And I'm going to take down the rest of my hair, and I'm going to come back when I'm done with taking all my hair down. I just wanted to show you guys too that like this twist was so moisturized, and if you guys can see, like my hair is separating naturally, so I'm just separating where I see the twist naturally unseparated from my sister using smaller sections. And if you guys would like to see the video of my sister actually installing my flat twist, I will leave the link in the description box down below. But y'all, look at how defined my hair is. Like, oh my gosh. I really need to learn how to start doing my own flat twist. But my sister did a better job than I would probably do. But I still want to learn how to do my own flat twist too, so I can do my own flat twist sometimes. And when I took down all my flat twists, my hair was so defined. But thank you, Faith Gang, again for watching this video. And if you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel and haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button so you can be a part of the Faith Gang. And hit the notification button so you can get notified when I post all my new videos. Bye, Faith Gang. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.